So today we discuss topic about the Twitter card. What is a Twitter card? First question, sir, I am unable to post my website content with a large image. What is the purpose of large image? If anybody using for Twitter option, when I am using for large image, people can understand what is a business, everything can understand. If I'm posting for small images, cannot be understanding. So in this my website, I have to post each and every content. It will post on for the small images. What is small images? Nobody can understanding. What is the images? What is the purpose of image? So in this image, if I'm posting for Boostan, click this on, select in Twitter. It is showing for post it, showing for small image. What is that? In this website, we have to writing for Twitter card. We are writing for Twitter card. So no Twitter card is there. So how to writing for Twitter card? These are Twitter card is. This line will be Twitter card. This will be showing for title description when customer will be search for this option. Where you can add this option. This option you can add for common file. This code will be showing for all pages. When it's showing for all pages, when people searching for any coding, it will be show for large image. Where Twitter profile. What is the benefit? People know about your content with a large image. They click our website, come into your website, increase your traffic. Major destination is to divert traffic on your website. So this is code here. Copy. Go to cPanel, file manager. Where is the common file? This code who will it understanding will be, but is my code is not done. Here Twitter username. What is my Twitter username? It will be username will be count languages. So when you're updating this folder, or you can using for header document. User and copy. Here. After this, you can refresh. Immediately the functional is working. That is depend on your refresh option. The refresh will be using for control F5 is a multi refresh. So it is paying for small email right now. So once updating for Twitter cards, control U, control F here. Code is updated. Little bit time taken to show your content for the particular website. So once the code is updated, so after few seconds or few minutes of time, it can say for seconds, not for second. So that one, when you click for share option, it will be showing for large image. But still, code is the updating stage. Once any code is updated, I'll show my website, services. Anybody click in this one, edit. It will show for large image option. They show for large image option. So this will be show where in a particular Twitter cards. How to know this? Control U, Control F, Twitter cards. See this the Twitter card option. Proper title, proper description visible to customers. This will be affected where your Twitter profile to increase the Twitter followers. Second thing is called increase your website traffic. If anyone asking, I'm unable to posting Twitter cards. After updating Twitter cards, we have take some time to divert traffic Twitter to your website. Show your large image option. So it is done. It is some time it will be taken for the show your large image. After tweet, I'll show this one. This image will be showed to the customer will be large image. Done. Once you post, we can't edit option. This is only for delete. Is it clear? This Twitter card is done. Once it's updated, we can show any Twitter profile with the large image option. No third-party tools required. No other tools will be required. If any third-party tools required, that option name is called anyimage.io. We can show in for large image purpose. Anyimage.io. This option also eligible to the particular users showing for large image on Twitter purpose. But no use. This code is very much of important for the particular users. Please note on this code. So if anyone in a particular doubts are there, can ask me to channel and definitely help the particular Twitter post option. And majorly, what are the code required? You can go to the blog option. You can find out the code by search. Today I give the search button here. You can use the search button, search for each and every content on your particular blog position. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.